Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your profile in Real Boxing 2. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Deleting a profile or starting over in a game can vary depending upon specific version of the game. First, open your Real Boxing 2 game on your mobile device. Once you're in this menu, tap on the settings or the gear button, which should appear at the top left hand corner. Now in the options, tap on reset profile. It'll ask you if you want to delete the following account. Tap on the tick mark in green to delete your account or to delete your profile. Remember that deleting your profile will remove all of your progress, items, and data associated with the account. To confirm and delete the following account, tap on the green tick mark. Make sure that you want to continue by tapping on the tick mark one more time, and you'll be able to delete a profile in Real Boxing 2. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.